Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to redirect your GoDaddy domain to another website step by step using the 2025 GoDaddy dashboard. Whether you want to forward to another site to your social media page, this will only take a few minutes. Now, first of all, head over to godaddy.com and log into your account. Once you are in, click on My Products section. That's where you will see a list of all your domains. Find the domain you want to redirect, click the DNS button. Next to it, and this will open the DNS management page where all the domain settings live. Scroll down until you see a section called forwarding. Under domain, click add button. Now this is where the magic happens. In the forward to box, enter the full URL of the website you want to redirect to, including the HTTPS part. For forward type, choose payment 301, permanent 301 if this is a long term redirect. For settings, pick forward only. If you don't want masking, or forward with masking if you want to keep your domain visible in the browser address bar. Masking also lets you add a custom page title and description if you want, but it's optional. Once you have filled everything out, just hit save, and that's it. Your domain is now set to forward. It can take a few minutes, up to an hour, sometimes for the redirect to go live because for DNS propagation. So don't worry if it doesn't work immediately. If it's not working, double check did you include HTTPS in the URL? Do you hit save? Are Are you editing the right domain? Also try clearing your browser cache before testing again. So that's it. Now your GoDaddy domain forwards exactly where you want it to. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. If you get stuck, I have got you back. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.